Gattu and Chinky were sitting in the pet clinic with Bingo. And Bingo was repeatedly insisting on going outside.
Oh no, Bingo, we are not going to go home yet. First, you will get your vaccinations done, only then. Yes, Bingo, so sit over here quietly.
But Bingo wasn't going to listen to anyone. When Gattu and Chinky didn't listen to him, he repeatedly went near the door and then asked Mummy to take him outside.
No, Bingo, vaccination first.
Just then the door opens and a Didi comes in with her dog. And she sits on the chair opposite to them.
Sheru, very good, Sheru. Now sit here and now we'll go inside for the vaccination. Sit down.
As soon as Didi says this, Sheru sits down. Just then the doctor comes out and seeing Sheru she says,
Oh, hello, Sheru. How are you? Sheru, shake your hands with Dr. Madam.
As soon as Didi says this, her dog even shakes hands with the doctor. Seeing this, Gattu and Chinky are surprised.
Wow, Mummy, did you see? Didi's dog shook hands with the doctor. As soon as she whistled, her dog came to her and sat down as soon as he was told to. Yes, kids, that is because they have trained their dogs to do this. If you also train Bingo, then he will learn all this too. What? Really, Mom? Then it is done. Bingo's training starts today.
After the vaccination, Gattu and Chinky come home with Bingo.
Bingo, listen to me carefully. Today is your training day 1. Okay?
But Bingo doesn't understand anything. The poor thing looks at Gattu and Chinky getting confused.
Hey Gattu, maybe Bingo won't understand like this. We'll have to explain things to him slowly, one by one. We will start with some basic things first, okay? Okay, Chinky, alright.
Chinky quickly goes to the kitchen and brings a bowl of water and Bingo's favorite dog biscuits. And a ball with it too.
Look, Gattu, I've brought everything. Very good. Come on, let's start then. Bingo, listen to me carefully. When I tell you to stand up, you have to stand up like this. Like this. Stand up. Understand? Now show me. Stand up.
But instead of standing up, Bingo starts spinning in circles.
Oh no. No, Bingo. You are doing rounds. Don't do rounds. Okay? Sit down, Bingo. Sit down. No, Bingo. No biscuit yet. After training, you'll get one. Bingo, come here. Come here. Oh, Chinky, look. He's not listening to anything. How will we be able to train him like this? Gattu, why are you getting so angry? We will have to be patient. When we don't understand a math problem, our maths teacher also explains it to us 3-4 times in a different way. We should also do the same. Look.
Chinky takes a biscuit out of the packet and then says to Gattu,
Gattu, sit down. What? But why me, Chinky? Oh, just do it, Gattu. Okay. Come on, sit down, Gattu. Very good. Here's your biscuit, Gattu. Yes, Bingo. Now it's your turn. Come on, sit down.
This time Bingo listens and sits down just like Gattu.
Yay! Very good, Bingo. Here's your biscuit. Come on, now sit down, Bingo. Now stand up like Gattu. Yay! Yay! Very good, Bingo. You did a great job. Bingo, now drink water from this bowl. But don't spill it, okay? Then I'll give you a biscuit. Oh no! Some water spilled. It's okay, Chinky. You just said we shouldn't get angry and should explain things with love. Wow, Gattu, you understood well, huh?
Gattu and Chinky were training Bingo when their mother called them.
Gattu, Chinky, look, Hari has called. Hari's call? This is perfect timing. I am going to tell him right now that we are giving training to Bingo so he can bring all the friends too. Yes, then we'll all train Bingo together in the park outside.
Gattu calls Hari and other friends on the phone and invites them home for Bingo's training.
Gattu, while the others are coming, why don't we teach Bingo another special thing? A special thing? What is it, Chinky?
Chinky whispers something in Gattu's ear, which makes Gattu very happy.
What are you saying? Parcel service. That's very interesting, Chinky. Yes, but we'll train Bingo for this secretly. Then we'll surprise everyone. Okay, done.
After a